Good morning, children. Today we are going to study a new lesson, Chapter 4 Water. Water is one of the most precious resources on earth and is necessary for all living beings. We use water for different purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, and many more activities. Pure water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. We find water everywhere. It fills the oceans, lakes, rivers, and ponds. There are different forms of water. Water exists in three forms. Which are they? Solid, liquid, and gas. It can change from one form to the other. Water is a liquid. It has no shape of its own and it takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. We can change a solid into a liquid or gas by changing its temperature. This is known as changing its state. Water is a liquid at room temperature but becomes a solid. Otherwise, we call it as ice form if it is cooled down. The same water turns into a gas. We call it as water vapor if it is heated up. If you keep water in a freezer, that is, if you cool water, it will change into ice. Ice is a solid form of water. It has a fixed shape. If you heat water, it changes into water vapor. What is water vapor? The gaseous form of water. Water vapor is a gaseous form of water. It does not have a fixed shape. So, water can change from one state to another. When liquid water gets very cold, it freezes and becomes a solid, that is ice or snow. When ice or snow gets warm, it becomes a liquid water. When liquid water gets hot, it becomes water vapor. When water vapor gets cold, it becomes a liquid water. Have you observed steam coming out of a kettle in which water is being boiled? Steam is actually water vapor. If you keep a cool tumbler near the steam, you will see water droplets forming in the tumbler. Water vapor has changed into water on cooling. Thus, water changes its form on heating and cooling. Next is a water cycle. In nature, water changes its form continuously and in a cyclic manner. This forms a water cycle. Water cycle means the continuous and cyclic changing of water into its different forms. That is called a water cycle. The water cycle is a process of water moving around between the air and land. Or in more scientific terms, the water cycle is a process of water evaporating and condensing on planet Earth in a continuous process. The heat of the sun changes water from the oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds into water vapor. As the water vapor rises up, it meets the cold air above and cools down to form tiny droplets of water. These water droplets join to form clouds. More and more water droplets collect in the clouds and join together to form heavy drops. These heavy drops fall down as rain. The rainwater flows back into oceans, rivers, ponds, and lakes. The water cycle is a continuous movement of water over, above, and beneath the earth's surface. As water moves, it changes phase between liquid, that means water, solid, ice, and gas, water vapor. It is powered by solar energy and because it is a cycle, it has no beginning or end. Let us recall. Water is one of the most abundant substances found on earth. Water exists in three forms: liquid, solid, and water vapor. We use water in our daily activities. The water cycle is a natural process of circulation of water from the land to the sky and back to the land again. I hope you understood this part. Thank you.